Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and hey, hit that subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. So I'm deciding on my next build, and I thought I got a lot of model kits sitting in boxes that I haven't completed because if something went wrong or just it needed something or just it wasn't going right, so you're like, you know what, I'm going to shelf this and put it in the box. We'll worry about it another day. And so I got thinking, I have let's see, the Monogram Motorcraft 85 Thunderbird NASCAR kit. I always loved that car. I always loved the color combinations. And that year, 83 to 86 T-Bird, it was just a favorite car of mine back in the day. I had an 85 Thunderbird Turbo Coupe. Love that car. It was sweet. It was bad to the bone. And so I think when we get that down, I'm going to finish it. I actually had the body done. I actually like doing the body work first on all my builds. I like doing the paint work first because I'm an enamel guy. And so I like to let my stuff sit and make sure it's cured for the week or however long until so I can get working on it. But now, using the MCW paint, it's got the hardener and stuff. I mean, it's almost like next day it's ready to go, which is kind of cool. But I still leave them sit. So I'll do the paint work and then I'll box it, and then I work on the chassis and do the rest of the engine, whatever, until I'm ready to get the body out. Now I know for sure it's good to go. So another note, I see a lot of guys using 3D parts, 3D printed parts. I have a resin 3D printer bought about a year ago, and I've made some pretty cool stuff with it. But I got it mainly for my model railroad stuff, and I guess I really never thought about using it for the application for my model building either, for model cars. I see a lot of companies out there makes different rims and tire combinations, stuff like that. And I mean, the thing is so detailed, but I'm just not that CAD designer where I can just sit there for hours and hours and design stuff. There's a lot of websites you can go out and buy the program, just download it and print them, and away you go. Once you have it, you can print as many as you want. Yeah, which I've done it before on a few things. That works out pretty good. So I think I'm going to get back into that. I think I'm going to get back on that boat, and I've kind of put it on the shelf for a bit. Last summer I just got busy and I just haven't been back on it, and I need to get back in it. I think I need to get making some stuff, and I'd like to start making maybe some custom wheels and things like that. So yeah, we're going to try that out here down the pipeline. So hey, let me show you this Monogram model I got, and we'll go from there. Please hold. Yes, sir. The old Ricky Rudd Motorcraft T-Bird. Like I say, I just love this body style. It's a favorite of mine. Love it. Love it, love it. So yeah, so I started building this. Okay, so here's the thing. So I bought the Tamiya paint holder, right? So I got this guy. And I've obviously I've had it now for a while. Now, see that just come apart like that? I didn't know it did that. As I picked it up off the floor there. So I didn't know it did that. It fell apart on me the first time I'm using it. And I thought, ugh. So I painted this car, painted it white. And I have the combo kit here. I can't remember. It was like the rookie combo kit, model kit. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to steal a body out of one of those, because what happened is, I got them right here. So I had this one here. It was all nice and painted. I'm talking like, wow, it was beautiful looking, just beautiful. Had it on that thing. I went to tip it over to make sure I got everything good, and boop, it falls off that stand, lands right upside down on the cement in my back room. I thought, are you kidding me right now? And it just dimpled the crap out of the roof. So I wet sanded it down. I thought, I wanted this car to look really good. So I grabbed another kit I had, and I'm looking at the body, and I thought, I'm gonna have to do some heating on this one because she's a little tweaked from sitting in a box. And I thought, ugh. So once again, I grabbed another one, and that's the one that's painted now and it's done. So it looks pretty good. Like I say, I started the engine and stuff like that, and I got one of the tires sanded down and started the white lettering on it and all that good stuff. And like I say, the hood was somewhat painted. This was just with tester aerosol, no clear or nothing on it. Started doing the wheels and all that good stuff. But like I say, let me show you the body here. Hold on. Okay, so this is the body on it, and this is pretty much done. I gotta put the one headlight in it yet. I messed that up when I was painting it. So hood pins are blackened, all that good stuff. There's no clear coat on this. This is just tester spray bomb, you know, the tester can. But it turned out pretty nice. So that is all done, ready to go. But I just gotta get the chassis done. Like I say, man, that's just a favorite of mine, that front end. Just, oh man, I love it. Sweet looking. But so yeah, I think that's gonna be my next project, and we're gonna get that going. So scary part here is like the multiple kits, like oof. Cover that back up. So anyways, so it's gonna be the next project, guys. I'm gonna start working on this guy, and still gotta find a home for the Thunderbird. He's just parked on the bench here. But yeah, we're gonna get this guy started and go from there. So I guess, hey, stay tuned, and we will get things up and going. And because I had the Bill Elliott Thunderbird, I really want to get that one done too. But for now, we're gonna finish this guy and get that going. So once again, I appreciate you guys watching. Just a short, quick video today, and let you know what we're on for the next time around. Thanks again. You guys have a good one.